All right, so we got the other side out, as you see. See the wires hanging out. All right, so this is what I ran into. So when you try to pull this cable out, see that cable? If you see right there, it hits a little piece of the tab where you can't get it out. So what we're gonna do is I took this screwdriver and I rammed it up underneath there a little bit, and try to lift the back of that thing and kind of stretch it. Let me see if I can put y'all down and see if you can see this. If so, I'm sorry if you can't. I kind of twist it and I pull it up. There we go, just like that. There's all kind of pieces coming out. So that allows you to pull that out. Like I said, we're going to change this because there's another piece in the kit, I think. There's another piece in the kit. I hope so. If not, we just broke it. Broke the other side. But anyway, you take this and you slide this piece out. And there's all your track. Your broken shit. Sorry if there's kids watching, but aggravating. Alright, so I don't know what happened here. Looked like something busted loose. But it should, that other new piece should go right on there. So let's go and see if we can find our new pieces. For our right side, they're up on the top. And I believe this is it here. This kind of looks like it. Yep, it fits right in there, I believe. So here and here. Maybe like that. So that fits in there and goes right back in, and it clips and everything else. So we're going to take this one piece off. I'm going to try to clean that track up a little bit. Make sure to get all the dirt and grime and wash it down. Put some nice grease in it so it'll be nice and greasy when we go back together. All right, I'll be right back with y'all.